So let me show you step by step how to share a specific file on Google Drive. So after you open your Google Drive like this, now you click on this My Drive. After you click on the My Drive, so the next thing to do, now you go and find the file that you want to share. So let's say I want to open this. I'll open this folder. So now I want to share this file inside this folder. So the next thing you should do, you right click on the file. After you right click, go to share, and then you click on this share. So from this option, now you click on this general access. So you click on this where it says restricted. So now you give this anyone with the link. So from this option, now you copy this link. After you copy the link, then you click on this done button. So now anyone with the link of this file can be able now to access this file. So now just go ahead now and share the link of the file you copy to the person that you want him to access the file in your Google Drive. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.